Are we gonna get trapped by the tide?
No. This is high tide, so
Oh, there's seaweed there though.
it's only going out now. Going this way, so the signs behind me. Today we're walking from the west end of the Spanish Banks parking lot along Acadia Beach to Tower Beach at UBC.
Let's see you get past this part. Good job. Do you remember taking the photo of me on the rock, sitting on the chair?
I do. I remember you thought you could get up there without getting wet, and you didn't.
That's why you don't wear white shoes to the beach. We're sneaking up on a heron. Doesn't like us,
No.
but we got pretty close.
Pretty close that time.
That's Matt and Julie signing off from Alouette.
You're not.